Downloading your account data from Spotify is a straightforward process that allows you to access your listening history, playlists, and other personal information. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Log into your Spotify account. Visit the Spotify website and log into your account using your credentials. Ensure you are using the correct account that you wish to download data from. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your profile picture or username, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Request your data. In Account Settings menu, look for the option that says Privacy or Data Protection. Here, you will find the option to request your account data. Click on it to initiate the download process. Step 4. Confirm your request. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Download your data. After your request is processed, you will receive an email from Spotify with a link to download your data. Follow the link provided in the email and download the file to your device. Once you have completed these steps, you will have access to your Spotify account data. If you have any issues, refer to Spotify's Help Center for further assistance.